बताएंगे, इसको हम लाइटली कर देंगे so that सारे सुन पाएं, because it is not limiting to Kolkata. We will put it on the YouTube channel of Startup Mahakumbh, so people should listen to you and they will also get inspiration. कि कोलकाता के लोग ये चेंज करने वाले हैं, इतना सपोर्ट करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि ये इवेंट AICRA का नहीं है, हम सबका इवेंट है। ठीक है? आपने जो रियल महाकुंभ इलाहाबाद में होता है, आई थिंक आपको सबको उसके बारे में पता होगा, वी हैव टेकन दैट नेम महाकुंभ फ्रॉम देयर। महाकुंभ गिव यू विजुअलाइजेशन के बहुत बड़ा सा महाकुंभ जहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं। तो रियल महाकुंभ में भी क्या होता है, वहाँ पे गंगा स्नान के लिए सबसे सॉरी सर एक मिनट और, तो वहाँ पे डिफरेंट अखाड़े जो होते हैं, जो साधु संत लोग के अपने अपने अखाड़े होते हैं उनको, तो सबसे पहले नहाने की अपॉर्चुनिटी उन लोगों को दी जाती है, जनरल पब्लिक को नहीं मिलती है। उनके भी अलग अलग एरिया होते हैं, बीचेस, और उनके भी टाइम स्लॉट होते हैं। तो आप समझिए कि बहुत बड़ा महाकुंभ हो रहा है जिसमें हर कोई अपने लेवल पे कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है। अगेन अनदर एग्जांपल, हम एक बहुत बड़े मल्टीप्लेक्स में जाते हैं जहाँ डिफरेंट बॉडी में डिफरेंट मूवीज चल रही हैं। तो सेम वे इस महाकुंभ में भी अलग अलग चीजें हो रही होंगी। आप लोग अपने लेवल पे क्या कर सकते हैं, आप वहां पर बूथ भी ले सकते हैं, आप ऐसे लोगों को बुला सकते हैं, आप किसी भी तरह से कुछ भी प्लान कर सकते हैं। माय फर्स्ट विश, ऑल ऑफ यू शुड बी देयर। कोई भी यहाँ से अपॉर्चुनिटी मिस नहीं करना चाहिए। आप खुद वहां आएंगे और इंश्योर करेंगे कि आप औरों को भी लेकर आए और वो एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करें। दिस इज माय विश। प्लीज सर।
Start with my introduction. My name is Sanjeev Sharma. I am born and brought up in Kolkata, and basically you can call me a Bengali. I am not a Bengali, as you can understand. So coming to what you were asking, suggestion, I can suggest only if I know the figures of the last 3 Mahakumbh, your performance, like in terms of business, investment, and MOU sign off. There are other slides, where you had other parameters as well. So if those parameters are filled in over here, it will be a huge help for all of us to decide to visit 4.0, because it will give more clarity.
Sure. मैं last जो हमने किया था, that was not to that level, लेकिन 42 companies being shortlisted for the funding. उनका अभी status क्या है, क्योंकि investors ने कितनों में कर दिया उसका status अभी नहीं है मेरे पास, but 42 companies gone for the investment purpose. And second, जो business हमने इंश्योर किया था, that time around 190 startup participated from state and direct as well. And total estimated, because MOUs काफी साइन हुए थे, upfront भी हुए थे, अलग से भी हुए थे, करीबन 25-30 के आसपास MOU बीच में साइन अप हुए थे। लेकिन जो business हमने estimate निकाला था, ज़्यादा नहीं था, but 45 से 50 CR के आसपास में business deals वहीं पर हुई थी। उसके बाद क्या हुई थी वो हमने अभी तक रिकॉर्ड नहीं है, लेकिन अब से हमने ये अपडेट किया कि आप जो भी हम महाकुंभ करेंगे, we will list down and we will track that so you can have an actual picture now onwards. Please.
Yeah, that actually helps, because
Yes, definitely.
when you have those black and white figures,
Definitely.
it really translates.
Correct.
So, yeah, well heard about it. You were talking
So
about.
this is for me.
No, nothing specifically for you, because I want to start with the figures. I'll give more clarity, and then I'll come up with what trade and industry I'm from and what I am looking for.
But as a whole concept, you can tell me how you can contribute.
Yeah, that's what I was coming from. The first segment is answered by you, and the second segment being that I am from the finance and the real estate industry. So basically, if I see industry-wise in Kolkata, all of us here will agree that industry per se, we are not the era we were, like industry are born in the year 2000, 2001, if I'm not wrong. Most of the industries are shifted to Orissa, just a border from here, the first border from here. So mostly what I can see industry over here is the banking, finance, the real estate, and maybe IT industry to a certain extent. But I haven't heard about any startups. I know people in HCL, I know people in PwC. So I haven't heard about startup coming out from Kolkata as Bengal. There are startups from Kolkata.
Lots of thousands.
People are talking about this.
Of course. So,
Yeah, to join over into this conversation.
everyone will get their chance. So, I'm just putting across, my views, I could be still in the pond. So, I want to, experience the ocean. That's what I was saying. So, practically, if we go comparatively, when we go to figures, we are not even on an India map. If we talk about Bangalore or Delhi or Mumbai or Hyderabad per se. So these are also very small examples. Hyderabad compared to West Bengal. So let us be very specific. Where we are as in Kolkata, West Bengal. So that is there. So I got attracted to this meeting, taking out time for this meeting because I found something relatable, which was real tech. So I wanted to see what is the tech which can, shoot out real estate.
There are real tech companies who wish to, exhibit in the real tech pavilion as well. Yes.
So
if you are in connection with any companies or startups, develop some solution for real tech, they must be coming here. Ask them, and even the buyers, because somehow that pavilion would be having some real tech startups. But for them, if we can arrange some good buyers from property builders or whosoever, they should come and experience that. So wherever you feel you can contribute, you please do that.
No, I already confessed, that I am still in the pond, So
Sir, ये कह के आप बच नहीं पाएंगे.
No, when we finish, when everyone finishes over here, we will experience how many people over here we have from real tech. So then I'll find. And what I can sum it up, conclude, is solar is a big, huge industry in India, but Kolkata doesn't have that,
आपको स्टेटस पता है कि कोलकाता में क्या नहीं है. आपने ये सारा कुछ बताया. सिर्फ ये बताइए कि कोलकाता में कुछ होने के लिए आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या?
I can contribute anything to the real estate and the finance industry.
You just tell us.
If there are 10 solutions with you at 4.0, I can implement those, at least 5 of them.
So if you feel you can provide consultancy or you feel you have some solution which is developed, you come and showcase there.
No, if you are talking about DPRs and those meetings, what people want, who are novice, who wants to go that first step, second step, I can help over there being 20.
Yes, so that is what I'm telling you. People from real tech industry whosoever is exhibiting there, you come and tell them, well, this is how you can develop the DPR or whatever.
Of course.
Your experience and knowledge, you have to share it with them.
Of course.
That would be a great contribution. Yes.
I'll happily register in the grades if you tell me how to do that.
Definitely,
I
sir.
wouldn't
Definitely.
mind.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Please.
Thank you for now.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. सभी को बोलना है. अगर कोई बोल रहा है मैं इनके साथ आया हूँ, तो केवल साथ आने वाला नहीं चलेगा, बोलना सबको पड़ेगा.
So hi, my name is Ranjita, and I represent an organization called Switch On Foundation. I don't have a startup of my own, but we are a foundation, a non-profit organization working here. Based out of Kolkata, but we are working in Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, in the neighboring states. And in Bengal, we are working very closely. We have a MOU with the Department of Power, Government of West Bengal also. We're promoting the green startups and the very early stage entrepreneurs who are there in West Bengal. So the entrepreneurs, the startups who are working in the space of, say, sustainable agriculture, to pollution control, to waste management, any tech, any product, any service that they come, and very early stage startup who need the handholding, like you said, the bootstrap ones. So we are working together, we have built a platform now, we have 135 plus startups, very early stage startups working with us. We have a very close-knit forum with them.
When you say early startup means they develop something?
Yeah, they're already in the market, they've developed something, they're already in the market. But they are bootstrapped, they've not raised investments. Only a couple of them have probably raised investments.
I couldn't get your name, ma'am.
Ranjita.
रंजीता जी की गारंटी हो सकती है वो 135 स्टार्टअप टू कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट देयर.
We'll be more than
जैसे
happy.
मोदी साहब गारंटी दे रहे हैं, वैसे रंजीता जी गारंटी देंगे इस बात की.
That's the reason why I have chosen here.
You can tell me how it cannot happen. I want to listen how it can happen.
Yeah. So our want to put our startups first and bring them to the forefront. I know that 2 of our startups also participated in the Mahakumbh, which was there in March. 2 of them actually went and did really well, and they were very happy. So we want to put down now the rest of the people there. So we want to understand from them what is that we could help them so that they can be
See, I guess already they showcase their concept or product to investors, to buyers. उनका कोई फायदा नहीं, स्टार्टअप बिजनेस शुरू किया है, बिजनेस को क्या चाहिए, इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए और खरीदार चाहिए। क्या आप एक पेविलियन लगा सकते हैं, रंजीता जी का पेविलियन?
हमें पेविलियन नहीं चाहिए।
No, I am saying something else, right? जिसमें वो जो 135 स्टार्टअप्स आप बोल रहे हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि सबको 10 फीट 10 स्क्वायर मीटर का स्पेस चाहिए, सिर्फ एक लैपटॉप रखने की जगह चाहिए, बोलने के लिए जगह चाहिए, शोकेस करने के लिए काफी है। They must come. They should meet people. That is.
So what is that we can ensure that they come there, because they are also very early at this point of time, and any penny that they come and spend matters to them a lot.
Yeah.
It's a matter of 3 days they spent there versus 3 days they spending in their organization. So
किसी भी स्टार्टअप में ये सबसे बड़ा मतलब स्केरी सिचुएशन है। 1 रुपया भी हम खर्च करते हैं, यार पता नहीं उसका रिटर्न मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। Please understand, if they go there, they will get huge exposure. They might get some customer, some investor. अभी किस कैपेसिटी पे जाते हैं डिपेंड करेगा। मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा, मैं सभी को घूमूंगा, हर एक बूथ पे यार ये बड़ा अच्छा सा चीज है, उसका सारा कैटलॉग उठा के मैं ले आऊँगा। जब कैसे होता है, उससे क्या होने वाला है? जब तक मैं अपने बारे में दुनिया को नहीं बताऊंगा, मेरा बिजनेस कैसे फ्लरिश करेगा?
हाँ, I completely understand. So is there something that you can help us with, which we can bring?
जॉइंटली शेयरिंग करके प्लान करें, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। आई टेल यू एन एग्जांपल। पोस्ट दिस इवेंट, AICR is the organizer of world's largest robotic championship event. Name is Technology. You just look into that. This year, 50 plus countries teams are coming. In India, the difference in Indian student and outside, वहाँ पर उनको स्पॉन्सर्स मिलते हैं। एक कंट्री से 20 से 30 लाख 50 लाख तक का इन्वेस्टमेंट करके वो लोग अच्छे होटल्स में रहते हैं और अच्छा बॉट्स बना के लाते हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में फाइट करने के लिए। इंडिया में बच्चे खुद से अपना बॉट बनाते हैं, वहाँ आके एक छोटा सा कोई लॉज है, रेलवे स्टेशन पे मैंने लोगों को सोते हुए देखा है। इंस्पिरेशन क्या है कि मुझे उसमें फाइट करनी है, मैं कहीं पे भी सो जाऊंगा, कहीं पे भी रह लूंगा, मैं चाहे दिल्ली में जाके छोले कुलचे खा के काम चला लूंगा, लेकिन मुझे उसमें जाना है। सेम वे, यस ऑब्वियसली उनका जो भी एक्सपेंडिचर होगा उनको ध्यान से करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन एक्सपोजर को उन्होंने मिस किया। साल में दोबारा कौन सा इवेंट कोलकाता में आके उनको पूछने वाला है, कितने लोग आके यहाँ पर देख लेंगे? आपको जाकर बताना पड़ेगा कि हम ये कर रहे हैं, प्लीज सपोर्ट अस। मुश्किल है पर करेंगे तो ही कुछ होगा। जस्ट ट्राई दोज 135 पीपल एंड दे विल कीप रिमेंबर योर नेम कि रंजीता जी ने ये बोला था और हमें फायदा हुआ।
Just that from your side, things can be made easier and a little more less heavy on their pockets. That's the only thing that I can do.
No issue.
I can ask
Any
you.
support from our side, some rebate is to be given, some waiver is to be given, I will help you for that.
Sure, so that
I only want those people should come and experience that.
Sure, absolutely.
Huh? Thank you. Please.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, hello. Very good afternoon to all of you. And I'm blessed to be present here. Yes, I'm blessed to be present here. So basically, like, 2 days back, I got to know about this AICR activity. So I think it is a wonderful opportunity to, like, I'm an entrepreneur, like young serial entrepreneur. So basically, I think it's a wonderful opportunity for us to, like, get all those proper connections and exposures and everything that you have mentioned, and to showcase, like, whatever ideas I'm having, like, 5 to 8 ideas what I'm targeting on. So I mean, it is, like, opportunities, like, for me to basically, like, founders to get all those proper teams and everything, and the plan that which you have created and that ecosystem, I think it is wonderful to be present. And, like, yeah, I mean, I really channelize my, like, ideas to get all those connected with this. I'm having, like, in IT and blockchain, I'm a tech enthusiast. So I'm planning about, like, to execute all of, at least I think start of executing, like, step by step. So that I think it will be, I mean, proud for me and for my family also. So I think that's
Great, great.
and
Invite more and more relevant people so they can get the impact effect.
yeah. So it is proper teamwork, like sir, like
Yes.
because alone I can't do anything. That is the thing. So I mean, it's a wonderful opportunity. In fact,
You must come.
Yeah,
You must
thank
come.
you.
हेलो हेलो सर मेरा नाम हेलो मेरा नाम तीर्थंकर है मैं अभी एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में ही हूँ मैं सौरभ सर ये सब साथ में हैं तो ये पहली बार ये स्टार्टअप महाकुंभ में आया मैं आया अच्छा लग रहा है राहुल सर से भी मेरा परिचय यहीं पे ही हुआ तो यही है कि यहाँ पे आप कितने लोगों से मिलते हैं और आपके आइडियाज़ भी और भी ग्रो करते हैं यहाँ पे इससे मिला और भी चीज़ें पता चला मेरा आइडियाज़ भी है उनका आइडियाज़ भी है ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके तो यही है सर ज़्यादा कुछ इस तो सर यही है सर तो अच्छा लग रहा है और भी
आप क्या सपोर्ट करेंगे ये बताइए।
देखिए सर मेरा अभी AI रोबोटिक्स में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं सर तो ये कोलकाता में अभी बहुत ही इनिशियल स्टेज में है मेरे हिसाब से सर अपने ओपिनियन से ये बहुत ही इनिशियल स्टेज में है तो मेरा इच्छा यही है कि AI और रोबोटिक्स के ऊपर और भी ज़्यादा काम हो और भी लोग इसके बारे में अवेयरनेस बढ़े
आप क्या करेंगे?
सर मैं अपनी कंपनी के थ्रू में और ये यहाँ पे ये प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू से और भी लोगों तक पहुँचना चाहूँगा कि जो भी स्टार्टअप है और भी जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स है उनके पास जाऊँगा उनको इसके बारे में और भी अवेयरनेस बनाऊँगा कि
सच में ऐसा करेंगे?
ज़रूर सर ऑफकोर्स सर ठीक है
That would be really great है। मैं आप लोगों को एक एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ सर। आप ही के स्टेट का, आप ही का, इनफैक्ट ये लोगों के साथ आप काम कर रहे हैं ना, उन्हीं का एग्जाम्पल बताता हूँ। हमारा जो एजुकेशन वर्टिकल है, we used to provide some technology workshops initially in one of the project. So आसनसोल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, ये लोग वहीं के प्रोडक्ट हैं, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
So I think this is year, which year के तक था?
2018.
2018। तो हम लोग कुछ टेक्निकल वर्कशॉप्स हम कॉलेजेस में कर रहे थे तो आसनसोल इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के जो एचओडी थे वहाँ पे हमारा टीम दिल्ली से उनसे बात कर रहा था ही सिंपली रिजेक्टेड कि हम नहीं अपने कॉलेज में करेंगे। कोइंसिडेंटली आई वाज सिटिंग विद माय टीम और मैंने पूछा ऐसा क्यों भाई तो मैंने कहा चलो इस बार मैं बात करता हूँ एचओडी साहब से मुझे नाम नहीं पता और मैं अभी उनका नाम लेना भी नहीं चाहूँगा तो आई सिंपली आस्क्ड ही वाज वेरी एरोगेंट कि बस मेरे कॉलेज में मैं करूँगा ही नहीं होगा। ऐसी सिचुएशन हमारे स्टार्टअप में कई बार फेस करते हैं हम लोग क्लाइंट्स के केस में इन्वेस्टर्स के केस में होता है ना जनरली ना यू हैव टू चॉइस ठीक है सब आप नहीं करेंगे हम क्या ही कर सकते हैं दैट वाज वन चॉइस। अब कॉलेज उसका एचओडी वो उसके स्टूडेंट मैं दिल्ली में बैठा हुआ हूँ क्या कर सकता हूँ कोई सॉल्यूशन आप में से कोई बता सकता है क्या कर सकते हैं। जब एचओडी ने मना कर दिया मेरे कॉलेज के अंदर होगा ही नहीं। मैं यूजुअली लोगों से उस टोन में नहीं बात करता हूँ पर पता नहीं उस दिन क्या हुआ वो थोड़ा सा इधर लगा तो मैंने बोला एचओडी साहब से कि सर अब तो ये बात प्रेस्टीज की है वर्कशॉप भी होगी और आपके कॉलेज में होगी कैसे होगी वो मैं देखूंगा एंड आई कट द फोन रादर ही कट द फोन। सोचा फिर पता नहीं कैसे प्लान बना अप्रोच किया सौरभ को राहुल को और ऐसे 10 स्टूडेंट को वहां पे अप्रोच किया। इन लोगों ने 10 स्टूडेंट की एक टीम बनाई। आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट वो 10 स्टूडेंट की टीम आज भी वो फोटोग्राफ मेरे पास वो सेव है कहीं फेसबुक पे जहाँ पे बैक में टी शर्ट पे इनकी टीम का नाम लिखा हुआ है। ये 10 लोगों की टीम ने 350 प्लस स्टूडेंट्स को एंगेज किया एंड वी कंडक्टेड दैट वर्कशॉप देयर। I appreciate these two guys और इसी वजह से now they started their own journey of startup they are getting success। क्यों हम कहीं ना कहीं से सीखते हैं। इन्होंने सोचो उस चीज के अगेंस्ट जाके प्लान किया। एक तरफ तो हम सरेंडर कर देते हैं बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं क्या फर्क पड़ता है आसनसोल इंजीनियरिंग में नहीं होगा बट ही डिड दैट एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट। तो लाइफ में जब भी ऐसे सिचुएशंस आते हैं कहीं ना कहीं उसका कोई सॉल्यूशन होता है हमें बस देखने की जरूरत है और कुछ नहीं राइट। तो आप बहुत अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं तो आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा इससे। या प्लीज कैरी ऑन।
So hi. So as you know, I'm Saurabh Kumar from Asansol Engineering College. Actually, I started my journey with this startup and all the things like robotics and AI because of Russell only. So I'm so thankful to him about the knowledge throughout the journey I got from him. And I love to share one of the insight which I often try to mention it to other companies who are organizing this kind of competitions like a startup Mahakumbh and all the other stuff. The problem is in India, let me tell you my problem, like how I began with these kind of journey for startup and all. First I got to hear that something is there like a startup India culture is going to come. So I registered my company in MSME because that time I not used to have the money in my pocket and I used to give the tuitions to pay my college fee. So I was from the poor background, but yes, it is now it's okay. And after that I registered to the MSME portal. I got to know that the Startup India is something else. Like you have to register inside the Startup India website or some government funded website is there for the startup culture. So after the MSME, I met one of the CA and he suggested me to go for the company tax. So I chose the LLP instead of private limited and I stuck in it. Again, because LLP cannot be recognized inside the Startup India. You have to register the private limited company to get those facilities. Again, I'm dumbfounded. What I'm doing, I'm investing my money on spending each and everything, and I'm not getting anything in return. So after registering on LLP, I went for the private limited company, and that time I used to find one more partner for the private limited because no one told me before that I have to have at least 2% for the private limited company, and I was completely alone on that note. So I registered the private limited company and I founded almost 4 of the company. I left one earlier and all of the 3 companies are running perfectly. In West Bengal, the reason why I registered those companies in West Bengal because they were giving me 1,000 rupees less compared to the Jharkhand governments. So अगर मैं झारखंड में रजिस्टर करता हूँ, मेरा होमटाउन जहाँ पे है, मुझे 30,000 समथिंग पे करना रहता, मैंने वेस्ट बंगाल में रजिस्टर किया, मुझे 2,000 पे करना रहा और यहाँ पे प्रोसेस भी जो है ऑफिशियल्स फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट एक्चुअली आर टू हेल्पफुल बट एक जीएसटी पर्सन ने कुछ पैसा मांगा था उसको क्लियर करने के लिए दैट्स अ सेपरेट स्टोरी बट एवरीवन वाज हेल्पिंग पर्सन इन दिस स्टेट एंड दिस स्टेट इज known for the literature and the intelligent or we can say intellectual persons we do have here who are always supporting in nature, right? So we started the journey. We also participated in one of the event called All India STEM Summit Awards in year 2022 and we got the best education provider in online education. And I was personally myself is completely against the DIY stuff in robotics and artificial intelligence. Because we don't want our students to become the assemblers of tomorrow, right? We want them to become the innovators of tomorrow, to bring out the innovation factor. So my suggestion to Raser and all the team is to bring complete PDF. You can help these startups or the new person joining in this journey to help them understand how to register a startup and how to start the journey throughout the survey. We will get investment, we will get everything. Trust me, I never took any single rupees from any person as an investment and I done it on my own without taking the help. Some of the investors came and asked me to share 50%, 20% of my overall profit in terms of partnership. So they wanted to become the MD of my company. So I said, sir, this idea is mine. So how if I hand over 50% of the profitability or the company authority to you, then how it will be possible for me to execute the task in a regular right? So I rejected those and I continued my endeavors. 2019-20 was really a tough time. We have to close one of the startup. So I left those startup and registered 2 new startup in both of the places, one in Jharkhand and one in West Bengal. So now I do have 3 of these startups. One deals with the education system, providing the robotics and artificial intelligence in West Bengal, and I am personally associated with topmost school in West Bengal, that is St. Paul's, Darjeeling, St. Joseph, North Point, Darjeeling, and you can count on me for the robotics and artificial intelligence stuff. Because from past 8.5 years, I'm contributing to this domain, and I've personally developed several of the humanoids, and I gave the motivational talks in different institutes around West Bengal, specifically the GIS group I contributed to, many of them, and the Jasprit Ma'am, director of GIS group, and everyone else knows me well. So my point is to whenever we are bringing this type of show and this kind of competition, yes, we are allowing the startups to come over and share their ideas and expertise, right? But we are not helping them with the couple of what we can say, the manifesto and how to like register the company, right, to choose, like how possibly positively choosing the right path to execute their task.
So one topic of workshop can be how to start, like
Yes.
all the compliances, formation of
All the
company and all
compliances.
done.
Yes. That is actually very important.
Okay.
All of you agree with me?
Yep.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
And you didn't tell me how will you be contributing?
Yeah, I will personally contribute in terms of my knowledge I do have in robotics and
When I startup वहाँ पर आएंगे आपके group.
Actually, from my institute, like our institute, Asansol Engineering College, total 422 startups are there which are participating. And maybe you heard of JIS Group recently organized one of the Ideometer competition, and many of the students got the funding and grant support. So yes, I will try my best to like help out with
So pavilion we can plan here.
Yes, we can do that because many of these startups are
Whatever numbers are there, I am okay with that. मतलब आसनसोल का नाम वहाँ होना चाहिए. मुझे हमेशा याद रहेगा.
and you will feel proud from the West Bengal peoples. I really love those Bengali cultures and everything. Even though আমি বুঝতে পারি কিন্তু আমাকে বলতে অসুবিধা হচ্ছে. That thing. Okay. But you can trust me on one note that we got this state in a place from the Ministry of Education. We recently participated in UP competition 2023, and we are among the first state in Eastern region who like placed in between the first top 3. So we made one of the innovation-oriented product and submitted it to the Ministry of Education, and we won 15 lakh rupees of grant over there. So that's a good achievement from us. Thank you so much, sir.
Good.
Good evening, gentlemen. I will do two things. One is who am I, what I'm trying to do, and number two, how I can contribute to this organization. I have a startup called Vinak Novus. Vinak means winning architecture, and Novus is a Latin word which means something out of this world. Before I started my innovation, I felt I was working with number of companies which includes Reliance Telecom, Imami, Wildstone, the deodorant company. What I have understood, how strong your brand image is, unless until you have something innovative, you cannot survive in the market. I mean, sustainable is an issue. There are hundreds of companies I have found into telecom, but only 2-3 companies who have survived. You cannot say that their strategy is right, no. Because the market is not that much so that all 5-6 companies can survive. So the volume of the market is important. So if you go for any kind of startup, it should be absolutely new so that you can get a path and that give you a sustainability. That is the reason I started working on this Vinak Novus. I have 6-7 different categories. So you might be asking me what you are doing, how much revenue you have earned. My revenue is 0. Why? You people can laugh at me that your revenue is 0 and you are suggesting me with this how to go for a startup. My revenue is 0 because all my innovations are new. All my innovations are out of the world, and this is a perennial problem for all innovators who thinks that whatever they come out is the best and the wisest. That is the reason they are working on that. So I also think that my thought process and what I have identified are definitely good and out of the world. And this thought process doesn't come overnight. Okay, today I think something out of the box and I started thinking this is the best. I keep on nurturing one ideas and nurturing and every moment. Even while sitting here, I was thinking something innovative and how I can change it. And I always contribute my thought process with people across so that his ideas can be translated into my ideas. That is the reason I started. Anyway, and all of my ideas are a problem of a solution. Business means creating a solution of a problem. Then you earn a revenue out of it. Whoever it is, whether it is Flipkart, whether it is Amazon, all these companies who are at the number 1 globally, they have the first runners. That is the reason they are successful. There are companies who are first runners but couldn't succeed. The reason being their strategy in marketing, their strategy in sales, and their strategy in holding finance is important. So very few examples are there globally. In spite of being number one, they have the smart movers advantage, they couldn't survive. So anyway, coming back to my ideas is, I am working on these ideas for 10-15 years when I was working. But after pandemic, I was forced to leave my job and I started working on this project, 5-6 category projects, which I think is absolutely innovative and changed the dynamic of this business. Like one example, I am talking about ProSafe, one of my category. ProSafe talking about anti-scratch system for your automobile, your 4 doors and 4 corners of your car, which will the most affected areas. I have created an Exxon system which will protect your car from scratches, minor scratches. I am not talking about major scratches. How much costly a vehicle you have, you don't have a space where you can carry cash. I have developed anti-theft, anti-fire retardant cash trading systems which you can carry cash in a car. In the rear seat of a car, whoever seats cannot see what is going on at the back. I have created a visionary system where the rear passenger of a car can see what is going on at the back. That is very important and very required. In case of two-wheelers, I have seen people traveling 2 years with carrying documents here in their jackets. It's a very common phenomenon most of people have seen. In modern days, 1.7 crore two-wheelers are sells every year in the country, perhaps the highest volume in the world. We were after Vietnam, but now we are ahead of Vietnam in terms of sales of two-wheelers. So out of that 1.75 crore, my target customer is 10%. If I can sell that 10% product which can avoid carrying documents, you mean documents carrier for which matches with your system and which can be controlled with your mobile phone. I have designed the product, it is market ready. I have made the prototype on that, and then you might be saying, why? What is the barrier? What is the bottle?
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. एक छोटा सा request है. First of all, most of you are the founder or engaged in some of these startups. I wish to know what all challenges you are facing wherein we can actually help.
Awesome.
That is, let me finish the point. And also we need to respect time because there are 80 people. If I give 10 minutes to everybody, that will be 800 minutes. If we all are ready to sit here, because I will stay till tomorrow, I don't mind doing that. This standing all day, right? So my only submission here, सभी को बोलना है, हमारे को 2 चीजें important हैं. Trust me, each and everybody would be getting an opportunity to showcase yourself in that event. मैं सभी जगह पे आपको लेके जाने वाला हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग एजेंडा सेट करेंगे, राइट? और उस एजेंडा में क्या मुझे करना है और क्या आपने करना है. That is the whole idea. Do you agree, all of you? Right, sir. Please come right.
How I can contribute to this matter? The thing is, first of all, I know another 10 startup companies who are struggling. So I will make sure their attendance over there. And at the same time, I'm very active in social media. I will showcase all these things in social media so that at least I can influence another 20 people who will be aware of this system, what is going on. Now coming what I want from the organization. I'm very clear. I have 25 plus years experience in marketing, communication, exposure, understanding, product development. I have hardcore product development in a lot of first premium companies in India. So I have exposure to product development, incubation centers, market communication, product distribution, market distribution. What I want from this organization is
ऐसे देंगे आप सबके सामने दीजिएगा सर, मैं आपसे आके लूँगा.
I must get exposure to investors, number one, and my investment is only on patent to acquire global intellectual property rights. I know people who are ready to fund my project once I get patent. In that, so I need fund for my patent acquiring. That is what I am looking for from Mr. Sharma. And I know he's a light who can glow my ideas. So this is what I can, and I say,
I will definitely try for it. In fact, that is possible reason. If your concept is really fantastic, because obviously some of the investors would be valuing your concept and thought process. If that is really, good, so they would be trusted to fund you for the patents and everything. That possibility is there. The rest, convincing them with your idea, that is completely your job.
absolutely. No, it's not that since I am in marketing, I can do something. But since I have a lot of fire in my belly, and
Investors
with
are
my
also
passion,
smart. They know where to invest.
with my passion, I can definitely increase because I am confident about the product which I have developed. I have lot of, sleepless nights, arguments. People laugh at me. I have created a product which people laugh at my back. Even a doctor said, "Oh, what absolutely nonsense." Then when I came with that, prototype I have developed, then he said, he hold my hands and he hold my hands, "Kaushik, this is out of the world. Yes, you must try it." Initially, he was showing me, cold shoulder, and he said, "Oh, this is, I know, 3M companies." I know, sir. Don't be so patient. Try to understand my story, and that is when. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That is why.
Thank you. But Kaushik sir, the way you said you will be contributing to the success of
Obviously.
engaging startups and all.
Without saying.
Thank you very much. Please carry on, go on.
Good evening, everybody. Myself, Yunus Munda. I am representing International Business Center as CEO. It's a foreign trade consulting center. Apart from this, I also represent International Startup Center. We are member of Bangalore IIM, NSSL, and we are also connected with Startup India and a lot of international startup center also. So my contribution will be I will try to bring at least 20 startups who are associated with us to attend your convention.
Sir, for 20 you will try. For how much you will commit?
20?
You said you will try for 20 startups to be there, right?
I'll give more than 20.
No, I am saying how much will you promise? Not try.
20 is my promise.
That
It is my commitment.
The difference, commitment and trial. Trial is always having a chance, to escape.
No, my.
But when you say 20, very important. I really appreciate the promise for that.
Yes, this is my commitment. You will get more
Great,
than
sir.
20.
Great.
Thank you, Mr.
So, ma'am, you please.
Yes, continue with me.
Follow them up.
Okay.
Follow up.
And you must be there.
Yes, I will attend also.
Great. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Subhrajit Sen.
Subhrajit Sen.
Yes. I am representing my company, Fairfax Solution India. We are the partner of SAP. We are working on ecosystem of SAP. You know, the SAP ERP is a ERP where we can automate your business and which relates to your.
How we can help you?
So I really need the connectivity to those people who can asking for the help.
आपने बहुत सही बोला, ERP is applicable everywhere, right? If you have a solution, I don't know, it's just a submission here. आप सभी का बहुत अच्छा network है. If you guys allow, we can create a separate WhatsApp group for all the people sitting here. If we can help to each other, not only for the event, just to make Kolkata a startup hub, right? A company, I really admire that company, that is BNI. That works on referral, right? आपको नहीं पता है कि स्कूल का रेफरेंस इनको मिलेगा, जिस स्कूल में इनका लैब सेटअप है उसको ERP भी चाहिए, वो सीधा सेंस आपके पास पहुंचाएंगे, आपको ERP का ऑर्डर मिल जाएगा. And wherever you are selling your ERP, you can get some business to someone else. Possible? Can we try for this? If someone is having, suppose कि नहीं मुझे ये नहीं करना, नहीं join getting disturbed, just let us know. Nothing wrong in that. But if we can help each other, that is great, right?
BNI is doing that.
So this will be another BNI for us. फाइन, इंडियन गेम है, दैट इज वो यहाँ से पैसा लेके वापस जाते हैं, हम लोग ये रहने देंगे। ग्रेट 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 फाइन। एंड हाउ विल यू कंटिन्यू? देखिए मैंने आपके लिए कितना अच्छा काम किया, सब आपको ईआरपी का ऑर्डर देने वाले हैं, अब आप क्या करोगे ये बताओ।
And I promise I will bring at least 5 startup.
सच में?
Yes.
मैं नोट कर रहा हूँ, रिकॉर्ड भी हो रहा है।
Yes, yes.
डन है, ग्रेट,
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। आई थिंक कोलकाता का वहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा आउट ऑफ 700 whatever startups are being there, highest number should be reflecting from Kolkata side, West Bengal. लोगों को पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है।
Yes.
Right? Great, please stay.
Good evening, sir.
जी सर।
This is Soumitra Maitri.
स्वामित्व,
Soumitra
स्वामित्व, ओके।
So मैं बिल्कुल बंगाली हूँ।
बिल्कुल बंगाली क्या होता है?
वेस्ट बंगाल में भी हूँ और बंगाली में।
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है।
So
Great introduction.
मैं बेसिकली हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर से हूँ। तो एक पॉइंट जो आपने बताया था कि एआई और आईटी कैसे इम्प्रूवमेंट ला सकते हैं, तो वो मैं रिक्वेस्ट आपसे रखूँगा कि ऐसा कोई अगर स्टार्टअप कंपनी है जो हमें सॉल्यूशन दे पाए, क्योंकि वी आर इन ए वेरी ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल, सो वी हैव द कस्टमर बेस एंड ऑल, तो हमें क्या कौन सा जगह पे और इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहिए।
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है। इनफैक्ट ऑब्वियसली वंस यू कम देयर यू विल बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद हेल्थ कंपनीज जो वहां पे एक्टिवेट करेंगे, एंड यू विल नो ऑल न्यू सॉल्यूशंस व्हाट दे आर ऑफरिंग। आई विल ट्राई टू एंगेज इन राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंसेस आल्सो, सॉरी, जो वहां पे इस इवेंट में होंगे और फर्दर भी होंगे, सो दैट यू कैन लर्न व्हाट ऑल न्यू थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग, ओके, एंड वेरेवर पॉसिबल आई विल ट्राई टू कनेक्ट दैट। And you can be the potential client for grapes also, because the companies registering themselves in health tech category, they can consult you, they can come to you, and probably you can be a good buyer for them. So this is how business happens. आप में से कोई ऐसा है जो health tech में solution देता है? Any of you? So he's there, right? So definitely we will try for that. Great sir. So what you will be doing? ये तो हमने आपके लिए कर दिया।
एक्चुअल क्या है कि ये प्रोग्राम पे आने के पहले भी हमें पता नहीं था कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्या।
अब पता लग गया,
पता लग गया।
अब पता लग गया क्या करना है ये बताइए।
ये प्रोग्राम के लिए रियली मुझे सोचना चाहिए। हाँ, एक चीज तो हम कर ही सकते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया के साथ हम जुड़े हैं। तो ये इसका अगर कोई अच्छे से
जितने भी हेल्थ केयर की कम्युनिटीज, यहाँ पे हम कोई ये सेट नहीं कर रहे किसने कितना कंट्रीब्यूट किया, इंपॉर्टेंट है कंट्रीब्यूट किया, राइट? आप जिस किसी इंडिया में हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर से जितने लोगों को जानते हैं, अगर वो वहाँ आएंगे और हेल्थ टेक स्टार्टअप्स को अगर वो एक ऑर्डर दे पाते हैं, दैट बी अ ग्रेट थिंग। तो जो भी आपको लग रहा है, जस्ट कंट्रीब्यूट टू दैट, दैट इज पॉसिबल।
या
ग्रेट, प्लीज कैरी ऑन।